In the Water JPI-funded Project WaterPeat, we wish to collect soil core samples from the field. In real-life conditions, water normally flows uniformly through the soil. However, when we take the soil core to the laboratory, we risk compressing the core and also causing bypass flow, where the water moves non-uniformly through the soil core. In the WaterPeat project, we had two questions. The first was how to collect intact soil samples from the field and take them into the lab for experimentation. And the second question was how to prevent short-circuiting of flow once we conduct our tests in the laboratory. In the field, we used a Nuigalway soil core. This unit took soil samples from the site and did so without compressing the soil cores. On the site, the samples were extruded, bagged, and then brought to the laboratory. In the laboratory, we used an EvoStick water stop paste. This was applied to the extruded soil core, as you can see here, and the entire soil core was then sealed using this paste. The rationale was that the paste itself would cling closely to the soil core and also as well would prevent against the short-circuiting. We then overlaid this with a standard scrim material. Once the scrim was completely applied to the soil, we then overlaid it once again with our EvoStick water stop paste. Again, this was to prevent against leakage and also as well to provide extra strength to the soil core. As the experiments involve water movement and the collection of water into and out of the soil core, they needed to have a base. And the base was just a plastic container that was cut. It had a water collector at the base, which is overlaid by a layer of scrim, so as the soil would be kept fully intact inside. Then we used a mastic paste to connect the soil core to the base of the material. This was done in two stages, by applying the paste to both the base of the soil core and also well to the plastic container at the base. Then both were connected and sealed. Once this was done, the samples were allowed to set and then they were placed in our experimental rig before further testing could take place.